checkbox input type is input type that we use to create checkboxes. Checkboxes are elements that allow us to check one or more options from list of available options. HTML attribute that we can use with the checkbox is checked, which defines what checkbox will be initially checked. Next input will take what we prefer, so let's set label for it. And next input will be checkboxes, so let's set input, let's define type, and type will be checkbox. Let's define name for our checkbox. This one will be option 1. Then let's define value HTML attribute. Let's set label first for this checkbox. This checkbox will represent music option. Okay. So we can set our value to music. And let's duplicate this line of code with Ctrl D. Next option will be sport option. Let's change name to option 2. And let's change value to sport. Okay. Let's save our changes now. If we go back in our web browser, and if we refresh our page, we can see we have 2 checkboxes. So basically you can choose one or more option. That is how checkboxes work. Also for checkboxes we can use checked HTML attribute. So let's copy it from here. If we set checked HTML attribute on music option and save our changes with Ctrl S, we can see in Microsoft Edge that checked HTML attribute doesn't work and music option is not initially checked. But if we take a look in Google Chrome, we can see the music is checked initially. That means that Google Chrome does recognize checked HTML attribute. If we replace our checked HTML attribute and set it on the sport, once again, we are in a Microsoft Edge. As we said, Microsoft Edge doesn't recognize checked HTML attribute. But in a Google Chrome, we can see that sport is now initially checked, which means that checked works for Google Chrome.
Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate to our PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.